Welcome back. This is Mr. Dixon University. We're going to be doing Dirty Bird for the trumpet. I'm going to be using a flugelhorn because I don't have my trumpet with me right now. Same pitch though. Okay, so we start off with a high G, and then we go to the F, two Fs, and then we have high E, which is no fingers again. Okay, and then that does the same pattern again. F, G, F, F, G, G, F, F, E flat, G, F, F, G. Then we hit a G again. Then we're going to hit a grace note, C sharp to D. C sharp is 1 and 2. And then we go to D. High D is first finger. Then we're going to stay on that first finger for the F and lip it up to F. And then we're going to come back down to C sharp, C natural, B flat. And then we're going to have to lip it up to that G. It's not going to be easy. You have to practice doing that. So let's see. That's G. We're going to go an octave above that. So we got rest. Rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. Rest. Yeah, last two measures. The last two measures. Rest. G. Where you're gonna grace that note. Like that. Got it? So the last three measures you have